The Xiaomi Sound 2 Max is here, and it's making a bold statement in the world of high-fidelity speakers. This isn't just a regular home speaker, it's Xiaomi stepping up its game to deliver serious audio performance in a beautifully designed package. With its sleek aluminum enclosure, optional wood faceplate, and an impressive combination of 4 drivers connected to 4 amplifiers, this speaker delivers a powerful 100-watt output that's meant to fill a room with sound. For anyone who loves great audio but also appreciates elegant design, this is the kind of gear that stands out. Before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe and like this video so you never miss out on the latest tech deep dives. Xiaomi designed the Sound 2 Max with precision both visually and acoustically. The housing measures 14.3 by 7.8 by 5.3 inches and weighs around 18 pounds, giving it a solid premium feel. Inside, you'll find 2 4-inch woofers, each paired with a 30-watt amplifier, along with a coaxial mid-range and tweeter setup powered by a 30-watt and a 10-watt amp. This thoughtful configuration allows the speaker to cover frequencies from 47 Hz all the way up to 22 kHz, which means deep bass, crisp mids, and sparkling highs all blend seamlessly. And with a maximum volume of 101 decibels, it's loud enough to handle parties, movie nights, or immersive solo listening sessions without breaking a sweat. One of the coolest features here is expandability. You can pair 2 Xiaomi Sound 2 Max units wirelessly to create a proper stereo setup, or even link up to 4 of them to build a surround sound system. This opens up possibilities for home theaters or anyone who wants to bring a more cinematic experience to their living space. However, Xiaomi didn't include an option to add a dedicated subwoofer, so that the low end will rely entirely on still, the power pack. Most users might be finding a base satisfying. Connectivity is solid, though slightly unconventional. That music source can be RCA for USB for a wired setup, or go wireless 572 Wi-Fi 6. The fact is that Xiaomi wouldn't provide for expandability for options like Apple CarPlay or Apple. This might be a downside for users in the eye. A lot of people you customize the sound using equalizers, fine-tune the output, and even take advantage of the built-in microphones for AI voice assistant functionality. The speaker's physical design keeps things clean and minimalistic. Buttons placed on the top surface offer simple playback and volume controls, making the unit feel intuitive without cluttering its sleek appearance. Xiaomi clearly prioritized both aesthetics and functionality, ensuring this speaker doesn't just sound good, but also looks great in any room, whether you go for the fabric, metal, or wood front cover options. It's an approach that blends modern industrial design with classic audio hardware vibes. On the performance side, Xiaomi's focus was to reproduce sound as accurately and powerfully as possible. By combining multiple amplifiers and a diverse set of drivers, the Sound 2 Max aims to deliver a balanced listening experience. The woofers provide a punchy, controlled bass response, while the mid-range driver ensures vocals and instruments remain detailed and natural. The tweeter completes the picture by adding clarity and brightness to high frequencies. Together, they create a dynamic soundstage that feels rich and immersive, especially when you start pushing the volume higher. When it comes to pricing, the Sound 2 Max is positioned aggressively for what it offers. In China, it retails for the equivalent of around $290 per unit. That's a competitive price for a speaker that offers this kind of hardware and performance. While it doesn't come cheap, it's clearly aimed at people who value sound quality and build quality equally. And considering you can pair multiple units for a surround sound experience, it gives users flexibility in building their ideal audio setup over time. Of course, Xiaomi isn't new to pushing into different tech categories, but this product signals a more serious entry into high-fidelity audio gear. It follows the company's recent streak of ambitious launches, like their new tablets and routers, and it fits into their strategy of expanding their ecosystem across multiple device categories. By developing proprietary transmission standards and integrating their own software control, Xiaomi is trying to build a tightly connected audio environment that encourages users to stay within its ecosystem. For audio enthusiasts, the most exciting aspect of the Sound 2 Max is how much performance Xiaomi has managed to pack into a single unit. The combination of design, hardware power, and expandability makes it an interesting alternative to traditional speaker brands. While some might miss support for popular streaming protocols, others will appreciate the balance of cost and capability. This is a speaker that can stand alone or become the heart of a more complex sound system, depending on how far you want to take it. At the end of the day, the Xiaomi Sound 2 Max is a statement piece. It blends modern design with serious acoustic engineering, making it a compelling option for those who want powerful sound without compromising aesthetics. Whether you're setting up a minimalist living room, a dedicated entertainment space, or just want a premium audio upgrade, this speaker delivers the goods. If you're as excited about high-performance audio gear as I am, make sure to subscribe and like this video for more in-depth looks at the best tech out there.